What is going on, y'all? Welcome to another day of the 21-day 4,000 calorie challenge. Crystal is changing diapers. How's that doing? How's that going?
How's it doing? It's good. It's great.
You had a clean diaper?
He had a real cute outfit on. Got these little moose and fox and all that, and he peed all over it.
Oh, man. Full of piss and vinegar.
Yep.
All right, anyways, we just got done doing a little jam session on Fridays. We have our meeting, and then after the meeting, we clean. So I just got done cleaning the gym, got everything mopped. Woo, look at that gym. Now that looks good, dead sexy. All right, I'm also gonna change oil in the vehicles today. We are getting some protein shipments in today. Man, that sun's making me look white as a ghost. Ellen and Kev Bode are over here solving all the world's problems.
Yes, always.
What kind of problems do we have, yo?
We solved them all. We don't have any.
We solved the FedEx problems?
Yeah, we're getting there. They're opportunities.
They're opportunities. There you go. I like that attitude.
Yes.
Nice shirt, Ellen.
I know, right?
Well, hello, y'all. I'm going to eat lunch right now. I'm going to eat, should I eat that whole half casserole? What are we gonna have for dinner tonight? We're not sure what we're gonna have for dinner tonight, so I'm probably gonna eat half of that cheeseburger casserole, which will complete the cheeseburger casserole, because that's all that is left. Half of that cheeseburger casserole is going to give me 1,800 calories. 1,876 calories to be exact. 104 grams of protein, 160 grams of fat, and only 5 grams of total carbs. I have not yet had a keto brick today. It is 1 o'clock. Depending on what we eat tonight for dinner, I may or may not have a keto brick, not sure. But right now, I'm about to crash that casserole.
Thanks.
What we eating there, babe?
Meatballs.
Meatballs. What we eating there, Rigel?
He was sleeping until you dropped the fork in the hallway.
Milk and meatballs. You want some ketchup or anything?
Yeah, I have ketchup and mustard in the fridge.
All right. What's going on, babe?
Rigel's going crazy.
All right, he's been crying all day. We figured out the cure. What's the cure?
The song.
Which song?
I don't know what it's called.
This song.
It's the one that's trending.
Wait for it. You gotta dance to the music.
My money don't jiggle, jiggle, it folds. I like to see it wiggle, wiggle, for sure. Makes me want to dribble, dribble, you know.
He digs it.
You really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact, no slap, but look at least.
He literally was screaming until Robert turned the song on.
Alright, y'all, I'm looking rough right now because just spent the last little bit working on the vehicles. Let me show you what we got going on here. Whoo, look at all this. We got oil, used motor oil, we got tools, we got shop rags, we got empty quarts of oil, jack stands, jack, and a pop tool. You know what that means? It means we've been changing oil. We changed oil in the Tahoe, Crystal's Tahoe, changed oil in the van, and we also changed oil in Josiah's car, Sunfire. So that's 3 vehicles we changed oil in this afternoon. Getting our hands dirty, getting some grease underneath our fingernails, doing some manly savage stuff. About to clean up, go home, get something to eat.
All right, guys, so I come outside wondering where Robert's been for this entire workout that I just did. And there he is. He's being the maintenance man today.
What?
He's being the maintenance man today. Everybody's getting their oil changed, except mine. He didn't want to do mine, but, you know, it wasn't ready yet. It wasn't ready yet. I got about 1,500 miles, and then I'll be bothering him probably in about a couple weeks. But anyway, killed the workout today. Hopefully next week Robert will join me in for a full workout. I think, we worked out twice together this week, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice. But kill the shoulder and arms workout tomorrow. He's gonna kill it, and hopefully he'll catch up to me one day. Anyway, y'all have a good weekend. Peace.
What's up?
Hi.
Sit on our rocking chairs?
Sitting on our rocking chairs, about to eat our popsicles.
About to eat our popsicles. I'm gonna eat a popsicle too. Not gonna lie, y'all. It's hot out here, and all I want is like something light and cold and not calorically dense, but I've only eaten like 2,300 calories today. So I've got a lot of calories to make up for. I have not had a break. What time is it? 6:25. So I gotta eat roughly 2,000 calories in a few hours. I'm not excited about it. So I'll let you know what I figure. I think we're gonna make a 2,000 calorie shake. Is that right?
I have 1,000 calories.
Make it beefy.
I have 1,000 calorie shake you can have.
2,000 calories.
1,000 calories.
2,000 calories.
1,000 calories.
Just double it.
It's just a lot of heavy cream and a lot of protein powder.
All right. Well, I just don't feel like eating a bunch of like dense food. She's gonna put a whole bunch of peanut butter up in there, and we're gonna make that shake. 2,000 calories. Get ready.
All right, guys. So we have Robert's shake right here. There is more in this thing. And in this shake, we did 4 scoops of the Steak Shake, Mark Bell's Steak Shake protein powder, 10 tablespoons of heavy cream, a cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, 6 tablespoons of peanut butter, and that'll do it. That is it. You just shh. Robert's trying to input over here. In this other page that I have over here, there is 149 grams of fat, 38 grams of carbs, 130 grams of protein, for a total of 2,013 calories. Is that all we needed? That's all we needed. That is it. We are back over here. Sorry. With a little bit of a Rigel.
A little bit of a Rigel.
And a Robert.
And a Robert.
And we're listening to the Wiggle Wiggle song again.
He really does
fussy
like
again.
this Wiggle Wiggle song. Watch this. I'm gonna put it on. He's gonna like stop being fussy. Watch this.
He's not even being. Oh yeah, I guess.
Listen, as a matter of fact, I sip on the yak with Big and Reese, 200 diamonds in their teeth.
Wait
I'm
for
trying to
it.
get mine so I can shine.
We gotta wiggle
My
more.
money don't jiggle, jiggle, it folds.
There we go.
I like to see you wiggle, wiggle, for sure.
What is going on, y'all? We are rounding out the day. Let me tell you what my macros are with that massive 2,000 calorie shake. So for the day total, we have a whopping 4,261 calories, of which 349 grams are fat, 46 grams of total carbs, and 234 grams of total protein. Now, that sounds like a lot of carbs. That honestly is a lot of carbs. Normally, I'm at like 15, 20 grams total carbs. But with all of these calories, I'm eating a lot more trace carbs. But interestingly enough, with those macros, it still breaks down to a 73.7% fat ratio, 22% protein, and only 4.3% carbs. So still less than 5% of my calories are coming from carbs. But yeah, the trace carbs are adding up when you're eating so much food. So that's that. I don't normally recommend eating that much in a shake form, you know, like supplemental with the whey protein powder and whatnot. But honestly, I just wanted something cold, something wet, something easy to get down as opposed to like a big dense meal after working outside in the sun. So that's what I did. That's all I got for today. We'll see you tomorrow.
My money don't jiggle, jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle, wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble, dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat. You really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact, no slack. But luckily the seats go back. I got a knack